Hi, my name is Dakota and I am a product specialist with HORIBA Process Raman. Today we are going to go over how to prepare, set up, and run your PI-200 autosampler.
The PI-200-L brings Process Raman capabilities into your lab, supporting routine QC/QA analysis, new application development, and calibration model building for future online implementation. In this setup, the analyzer is operated directly from the instrument controller. From our Prospect software, users can manage the measurement sequence and monitor sample acquisition. Our autosampler allows multiple liquid samples to be measured in a controlled and repeatable way, removing all manual handling between measurements. The Raman probe is the optical interface to the sample. It delivers Raman laser light, collects the Raman scattering, and sends that chemically specific signal to the analyzer. Removing and inserting the probe is straightforward and simple. When the probe is positioned into the flow cell, the system is ready for automated Raman measurements under consistent sampling conditions. The only routine maintenance on the PI-200-L and its autosampler is the cleaning of the flow cell when necessary. The flow cell can be drained and its plug can be removed for cleaning. Cleaning the flow cell with the cotton swab for a few seconds helps reduce fouling onto the window of the flow cell. Once cleaning is complete, the drain plug is reinstalled and the system is ready to return to operation. The PI-200-L benchtop laboratory analyzer gives laboratories a direct path for Raman feasibility testing to quantitative method development, using the same core measurement and optical approaches that supports HORIBA's online process Raman systems. Paired with our autosampler, it provides a practical, higher throughput workflow for laboratory measurements for connecting lab to online monitoring.
Thanks for watching. If you have more questions or would like to see more information, please visit the website in the description below. Thank you.
HORIBA.